Hello everyone. Welcome back to Seeker's channel. Today we're demystifying those intriguing fiber ports on switches. How do you actually use them? Many find these ports intimidating, unsure how to cable them. Don't worry. There are essentially three main methods, and today I'll break it down step by step. Whether you're a new network engineer or a tech enthusiast, you'll master this after today. Looking at this switch, you'll notice ports labeled SF, SF+, or QSFP. These are our focus, fiber ports. Designed for high-speed, long-distance connectivity. How do we activate them? Let's explore three classic approaches. The first method is simplest and most budget-friendly, Ethernet cable plus media converter module. This is an SF copper transceiver or media converter module. Its golden fingers insert into the switch's fiber port, while the RJ45 port connects to standard Ethernet cables. Ideal when connecting fiber-equipped switches to devices with only copper ports like legacy switches, servers, or PCs within short distances, typically 100 m. Eliminates the need for separate optics and fiber, economical and convenient. Remember, it converts optical signals to electrical signals for copper transmission. The second method is the industry standard, optical module plus fiber patch cable. This unlocks fiber's true potential. An SF optical module has golden fingers for the switch port and optical interfaces, commonly duplex LC connectors. We pair it with a matching duplex fiber patch cable like this LC multimode cable. Notice its dual fibers. Critical step: remove protective caps from both ends. Align the connector with the module's port, noting the keying tab. Push gently until seated. Next, insert the cabled module golden fingers down firmly into the switch. Finally, repeat the process. Remove caps to connect the other end to the target device. Your fiber link is now live. Crucial matching requirements: module fiber type multimode or Singlemode. Wavelength, for example, 850 nm 1310 nm. Distance specifications. The third method excels in simplicity for rack environments, direct AOC or DAC cables. These feature integrated optical transceivers, AOC, or copper connectors, DAC. Usage is effortless. Remove end caps, then plug directly into both switches' SF ports. No separate modules or fiber required. Designed for ultra-short reach within or between racks, AOC active optical cable, fiber-based, flexible, ME-resistant. Longer reach but higher cost. DAC direct attach copper, copper-based, most affordable. Shorter reach, susceptible to ME. Choose based on budget, distance, and interference needs. Summary. Recap. 1. Copper module plus Ethernet. Connect copper devices 100 m. 2. Optical module plus fiber. High-performance standard match specs. 3. AOC DAC. Instant rack connectivity. Essential reminders. Disable ports shut down before inserting or removing hardware. Never touch fiber end faces. Always use protective caps. Clean professionally if contaminated. Verify compatibility via vendor matrices, especially for third-party modules or cables. Got it? Once broken down, it's straightforward. Match the method to your needs and budget. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support fuels our content. Questions or topic requests? Comment below. See you in the next deep dive.